Okay, on this question, they're asking, find the probability that there are 3 heads when a fair coin is flipped 3 times. So let me write out the different things that can happen when you flip a coin 3 times. So first flip, you can get a heads or a tail. Second flip, likewise, you can get a head or a tail on the second flip after the first flip. And then the third flip, same thing again, heads or tail. And all right, so when all is said and done, let's write out all the results here. So again, this is first flip, second flip, and third flip. The results can be head, 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 tail. See, I'm just following along, head, 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 or head, head, tail. Keep going, head, tail, head. Goes right here. Head, tail, head. Next one, head, tail, tail. Head, tail, tail. And then we come down here, tail, head, head. And here, tail, head, head, etc. Tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head, tail, tail, tail. So there's all the things. There's 8 results that are possible, aren't there? 8 different things. These are all the 8 different things that can happen when you flip a coin 3 times. So now we can answer their question. This particular question is saying, what's the probability 3 heads? So that's just 3 heads is just right here. So that's just going to be 1 out of the 8 things. If you divide in your calculator, it's 0.125. Now, if they just want a decimal, you can just give them that answer. Sometimes they just want a decimal. If they have a percent, so decimal meaning no percent symbol. If there's no percent symbol, but ours has a percent symbol. So that means I need to make it 12.5, right? Whenever you change from a decimal to a percent, remember, you have to move the decimal 1, 2 places. That's why there's 2 zeros in the percent symbol. It's reminding you to move the decimal 2 places when you change to a percentage. So I'd have to move it 2 places, end up right there, it'd be 12.5%. So depending on your version of the question, if they have a percent symbol, you would say 12.5%. If they just have a decimal and they don't have a percent, and they don't have a percent symbol, no percent symbol, you would just say the answer is 0.125. Now, there's other versions of the question. Like here's go up. Here's another version. You might get one that says 2 tails. So if they said 2 tails, how many of these results actually have 2 tails? Well, it'd be this one, and that one. 2 tails. So the probability of 2 tails would be 3 out of 8, which in the decimal is 0.375 if they want no percent, or if they want a percentage answer, it'd be 37.5%. You'd move the decimal 2 places, right? There's the same answer, decimal with no percent symbol, and here it is with the percent symbol having moved the decimal 2 places. So that'd be if they said 2 tails. Let me see some of the other varieties they give us here. On 22, and let's see, they could say 1 tail, no tails, 1 tail, no tail, 3 tails. So yeah, you just count them. So if they said, for example, probability 1 tail, that'd be what? Which ones have 1 tail? It would be so this one, and this one, and this one. Again, it's 3 out of 8, which would be 0.375 decimal, or 37.5 in terms of percentage. Yeah, or no, if they said no tails, that would just be no tails. That just means head, 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 which is 1 out of 8, again, 0.125 decimal, or 12.5 percentage. And I guess we've covered it. There's all the different varieties and what they would say.